Do you want to be able to understand how to use your coins on AliExpress? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to explain to you step by step exactly how you can use them, but it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end and follow along step by step to actually understand exactly how you can use the coins. So as you can see, I'm currently on the AliExpress website, and by the way, of course, you can use your coins even if you're using the AliExpress mobile app. If you're currently on your mobile, it doesn't really make any difference, just so you know. So basically, if you right now have like coins on AliExpress and you want to be able to understand how to actually use them, well then actually what you're going to do is to head into the AliExpress website either on your mobile app or on your computer, and then you're going to actually see, for example, as you can see, this offer right here, extra 5% off with coins. So if you currently have coins, then you will be able to get like some kind of deals for not every product, but some of the products in here. You will be able to get extra good deals on them if you have coins. Another way that you can actually use coins, and this is unfortunately not always active. So one of the ways that you can actually use coins is to exchange them for coupons. So if you currently have a set coin, maybe 100 or 200, maybe you're able to actually, after a while, exchange them for coupons. It's not always active. They will tell you when it's active to you, but unfortunately, as of right now, it's not always like able to do so. Unfortunately, you will need to wait until there is an offer for you to exchange your coins to coupons, or you can also exchange them for this kind of deals, as you can see for some products. So this is basically exactly how you can use your coins on AliExpress.